Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum shibanta banwanra eka jingko jing suba Kmie Mariang. Ha kashpotrik unailar araja apusan kakanhon jong ka World Mission Society Church of God University Students Volunteers. Kabalatip kum ka Asez WAO. Kala Pynlong ya ka Zero Plastic 2040 campaign and cleanup activity. Kabashisngi na Martin Luther Christian University ter shaduk jingking lapalang hakathan nongra Shillong. Hagani kasngi nalor ki dikot ka Asez. Layadon ringkat langru da ka Dr. V. Sayo ka Scientist D ka Regional Office Shillong Ministry of Environmental, Forest and Climate Change. Kabalay shimbenta Shidrahem bantam hadu hendriu pu artli ki song plastic ki nyut kinier ki balayo bantam na shilenter karot surok jong ka tekathan habakren kinong yelam ka Asez ki bakentop ya usamla Wela mangdor karlor kilayat hu lingkot chapang ka Asez bat kalapan pauru baka jing Pynlong ya kum kinigi kam Tremon ngobha kidei baka kanhun kala jule man kapor da ka babuot ik Jinghikai jong ka Kmie nalor kani kila ongru baka jingishim benta ha kani ka program kantansyan ru ya kaburom jong ublay.
I am Dr. V. Sayo, Scientist D, working in the Regional Office of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. We have our headquarters in the ministry, and over here in Shillong, it is the Regional Office in the northeastern part of India. So I, along with my colleagues, we have come, and we thank the Asez team for contacting our office, for visiting our office and inviting us to be part of this cleaning activity, and for also requesting to give a little talk on something that what our office is doing. So we have thought about it, and today I've also come to give you a short awareness program, a short awareness talk on what you see here. We have brought the poster along because visual is better rather than just plain talking. So you already see here, Mission Life, okay? So this is part of an initiative of the central government of India, and our ministry, the nodal, has been selected as the nodal agency to carry out its implementation of this mission life. So as we all know, here and around the world, we are experiencing the impact of climate change in various forms. We have seen extreme temperatures, hot and cold. We see flash floods everywhere. That's even happening now. And then we have these and we have these incessant heavy rains in some areas, whereas extreme drought in other areas. These are all impacts of climate change. So it has been studied and reported that the climate change induced by human activities is a consequence of 100 years of net greenhouse gases emissions. I'm sure you are familiar about greenhouse gases. Yeah, no. So their emission results from unsustainable lifestyle and unsustainable pattern of production, consumption, and distribution, especially in this world, in this present day and age. So the greenhouse gases, what are the greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide, to name a few, nitrous oxide, methane, they're all greenhouse gases being emitted out. And sectors like the energy, transport, infrastructure, then agriculture, land use, industries, they are all the main sectors that contribute towards the greenhouse gases in the earth, in the atmosphere. So here this is where Mission Life comes. Mission Life, it is an India-led global mass movement. It was introduced in the year 2021.
Te mentakas ngi simbenta hakeneka Asez activity kabalong ban penkhuj ya keneka snong nongra terma pro saudong te nganchu batai pi kendiat chapangka Asez keneka Asez kedeka World Mission Society Church of God University Student Volunteer Group te keneka kenhun Asez kisaitle ekiniki jat penkhuj ma man lak kapor man lau snem but day tang hapo Meghalaya handrei haka perthai brok away ni sai penkhuj aki snong ki thau ma daka Jinghikai ka bakiyo na ka Kmie bah neng te kumne na kapor sa kapor ni sai penkhuj aki snong ki thau te ka basutnat menta kalong ba sibun bha ki khna samla kiwan ban ya simbentalang hakaneka jing penkhuj aki snong ki thau te tang ki khna samla wat ki long Kmie long paru ki wan banyasim mentalang ban penkhuj ya keneka snong nongra te ka jing temu jong ka Asez kalong ban Pynlong ya mah ya ka snong ka thau ka bakhuj basuba ban kemen ban Pynlong ya ki ya ka imlang saklang ka ba sngutenat ka ba kemen ka bakhuj ka basuba khnang ba baro ma ki briu baro ki ba ya imlang salang bakin ya dan kata ka jingit klei ban kip ya bakin bu ma ya ki surak ki sengkin bakim dei ban prepathar ya ki plastik lane ya kinu ki jaklia saki snong sneki thau te mentakas ngi lajit ya kanin nongra ban penkhuj te ngi snutenat syaba palat nomor ba ngi ai khublei ya irang ba snong ru jongka snong nongra bailasya ingi dakamon lai lu jong I bangin penkhuj ya kanin ka snong te kumbang li meneng la penkhuj nadu kanin ka snong nongra pelun kumne ter nadu nate na sedang napo Martin Luther hadu hang te hapo hate hajan jingking la palang tinglayo banlum kumba nrupu arteli ki nyut haka garbage bag bangila pelang panila bu ban sijaka te ka jingkentu jungai ki paj ba kalong ba baro ki bapet ya kene video snubha banya snok tilang hakane ka kam ma bangin penkhuj ya ki snong ki thau ya ki lenti ki sengkin knang ba ka imlang salang jungi kan long ka bakhuj baksuba bat ngin ma ngin ya im koj im khia lada ka snong ka thau ka khuj suba te nga ai khublei ru ya I Dr. V Sayo ibadai I scientist naka Office of Ministry Environment of Forest and Climate Change te ka jingwan jong I ru hakani ka sngi klap IMC mengi sibun bat ila batai ru katno ka jingmentoy ma banya bangin nyalong ki ba khuj basuba bangnya penkhuj ek snong ki thau te ka jingwan jong I kelas ngau penyok mensim sibun yang I khamtam ya bun ki khna samla ki be simentalang hakane ka
today?
We are from Asez. Asez is University Student Volunteering Group established in 2015, and then we have many programs for cleanup campaign and reduce crime campaign and zero plastic seminar. My feeling, I'm so happy we could shine our Elohim God's glory, and then very happy when you see the clean the road. It's because following God's word, God say be the right and be the truth in the world, and then we carry out for this cleanup campaign.